Want to create mind-blowing action movies with zero experience? Imagine typing a few words or uploading a picture and instantly turning it into an incredible video with real-world physics. Sounds unbelievable, right? But with Hailuo 02, it's not just possible. It's happening right now. Stick with me, and I'll show you how this AI can take your content to the next level. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Now, to get started, click the link in the description below and head over to its official website. Signing up is super easy. Just use your Gmail, and you're all set. Now you can see the interface is really straightforward, so everything works smoothly with zero hassle. Now that you're all set up, let's get into how you can start creating. If you're a creator or even just someone with a cool video idea, whether it's an action-packed scene, a funny skit, or something else, here's how you can bring it to life. Simply type your idea into the prompt box, click Create, and watch your video take shape instantly. It's that simple. Once your video is ready, you can easily fine-tune it to match your vision. Want to adjust the color grading or lighting? Just refine your prompt to get the exact result you're looking for. Or maybe you want the camera to follow the action. Simply adjust the camera movement in your prompt, and it'll match the flow of the scene. Here's where it gets really exciting. Hailuo 02 is the upgraded model, and it's built to take your video creation to a whole new level. So, what makes it stand out? First off, it's designed to handle even the most complex prompts with incredible accuracy. We're talking about 85% accuracy, which means your ideas will be brought to life just the way you imagined them. But that's not all. Hailuo 02 really takes physical motion to the next level. Whether you're creating acrobatic stunts or intricate movements, it makes everything look so realistic. And if you're switching up angles or scenes, no worries. Your character will stay consistent throughout. Oh, and the visuals? Absolutely stunning. With rich lighting, perfect composition, and a cinematic feel, your videos will look top-notch. You can even create high-resolution videos, up to 10 seconds at 768p or 6 seconds at 1080p. And once you select your resolution, you can choose whether you want just one clip or multiple versions. It's totally up to you. Once everything's set, all you need to do is click Create and watch the magic happen as your video starts coming to life right before your eyes. Not quite what you expected? No worries, just recreate it as many times as you want until you get it perfect. And if you're happy with the result, you can download it, share it on social media, or just keep it for yourself. It's totally up to you. Now let's say you're looking at a photo. Maybe it's a scene that's been stuck in your head for a while, or a concept you've always wanted to bring to life. Well, here's where the image-to-video feature comes in. Upload that photo, describe what you envision for the scene. With just a few clicks, Hailuo 02's powerful AI model takes over and brings that photo to life. It turns your still image into an ultra-clear, captivating video, just as you imagined. It's like watching your idea unfold before your eyes. So far, we've explored how to turn text into video and bring images to life. But what if you want to feature a specific character and ensure they stay consistent across different angles in your video? That's where the subject reference feature comes in. When you upload a character image, this feature ensures that the character's face remains consistent, no matter how the scene changes. No more worrying about mismatched features, everything stays true to your original image. Then, describe the scene in your prompt, change your settings, and let Hailuo take care of the rest. The AI will ensure your video matches your vision from beginning to end. And here's some exciting news. New users get 500 free credits to start their creative journey. Don't miss out, grab your credits, and start making something awesome now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and creative inspiration. Let's make something incredible together. Also, check out my other videos on my channel for more time-saving tools and tips to level up your content. Drop your comment with the first video idea you'll create. I can't wait to hear what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.